Today we have a chainsaw. There's a Stihl, and we have MS250. Beautiful, reliable chainsaw, but it's broken. And it has a broken brake handle. It's not good, needs to be replaced. But it's not that straightforward the thing. It's a pretty complicated process. We'll show you everything in details. Let's get started. It's always a good idea to clean the chainsaw. I already did a cleanup. First we have to remove the bar using a chain wrench. Here we go, nice and easy. I did a cleanup. Normally you'll have lots of sawdust under the cover, all nice and clean. Keep everything in a tray, make sure you won't lose any screws. Let's take a bar off the sprocket like that. There we go. Put it aside, we don't need it. Alright, let's flip the chainsaw on another side. Here's a 27mm Torx. Let's remove that bad boy. Here we go. Beautiful. Keep it all together. Alright, now we have a broken handle removed. Let's put the chainsaw aside, and as you can see, I have a replacement part. It's identical. It's from another chainsaw for the parts one. Now, most interesting part. 1, 2 more Torx. 1, 2. Moved. There we go. Let's pry this chain guide up and remove it. And now we can pry this plastic cover. Here we go. Put it aside. All this is sawdust mixed with the bar oil, all kind of stuff. I'm going outside and just blow it, everything's out. Now it looks better, nice and clean. Okay, next we have to remove this big spring. We need a needle nose pliers. And also hold on like that, make sure one popped, and just grab it and pull it up. Beautiful. Remember how everything was assembled. Next is the E-clip. We have to remove the driving sprocket and the clutch cover, just using a small screwdriver to get the E-clip out. Nice. Take a washer up and remove the drum. Here we go. To keep everything in order, easy to put it all together. Next, we have to remove this metal bend. This metal spring. Hold it out like that and pull it up. Then turn it forward and undo it from this hook. Nice and easy. Here we have one more E-clip. Just hold it with one hand and turn it to get the clip out. Don't lose it. It's a little tiny guy. Put it away. Pry this connecting link up and slide it back to remove it. Nice and easy. Okay. Rubber washer on top of the arm. Remove that. Next, we have to pry this metal connecting arm up and pry this plastic part of the handle, then go to another side, up, and it will come out. Here we go. See? All this mechanism came out. Nice and easy. Don't have to remove this metal lift spring. And yeah, same way as we removed everything, we're going to put a new used one. Okay, time to put everything back together, same way as we removed. Connecting link into the new handle like that, and have the handle all the way around the chainsaw body like so. And then we have to align this pin and slide it down like that, and go to another side and get it over this side like so. Beautiful. It slipped down, lifted it up and slide it over like that, and get this hole over the pin. Get the pliers. So many little things to align. Beautiful. Nice. Alright, again, clutch bend like that. Put it in all the way around and slip it into this slot. And push it all the way in. Here we go. Nice and easy. Rubber washer or spacer. Put it back. Make sure you won't forget that. Then we have to put our connecting link. Align this big hole. Slide it forward and push it down. Beautiful. Then time for the E-clip. Put the E-clip like that. Use the needle nose pliers and push that clip in and secure the link on the shaft. Nice. And for the drum, put the drum all the way in. Make sure it's seated properly. Put a spacer washer and E-clip. Same way, hold it with one finger and push it with the needle nose pliers. Nice. Okay, let's put our big heavy loaded spring in like that. Hooked up a spring. Turn the chainsaw like that. It's easy. Grab it with the needle nose pliers and pull it. And pull it all the way. Okay, get it over the pin. No too big of a deal. Easy peasy. Okay, it's working, but we have to put the screw on another side like that. Be conscious, it's plastic. Don't go too crazy. That's it. Good enough. Okay. Beautiful. Not quite done yet. Little beauty cover panel. Put it back. Couple of screws. And remember, we're screwing into the plastic. I'm on auto. You wanna strip like that. Beautiful. Nice. All right. Our upper chain guide. Like that. Yeah. That's it. That's how you replace brake handle on a chainsaw, on a Stihl. This is, for example, MS 255, but most of the Stihl saws, they will be the same. Pretty simple, pretty easy if you know how to do it. If you don't, watch this video and shouldn't be any problems. Nice. Here we go. Now you got it. How to replace the broken handle on your favorite chainsaw, and you're ready to go to cut a firewood and stay warm at winter time. If this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up, and thank you so much for your time watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Take care.